Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm Dr. Olivia, a health and beauty specialist here in the United States. Today, we're diving into the world of skincare, specifically how to establish a daily routine that keeps your skin healthy and radiant. Taking care of your skin doesn't have to be complicated. In fact, with a few simple steps twice a day, you can see a noticeable difference in its texture, tone, and overall health. So, whether you're a skincare newbie or a seasoned pro, there's always something to learn. The core 3: cleanse, treat, moisturize. Let's break down the essential steps for a daily skincare routine. This applies to all skin types, but remember, we'll discuss personalized tweaks later. Cleanse, this is the foundation. Wash your face twice a day, morning and night, with a gentle cleanser suitable for your skin type. Avoid harsh scrubs or soaps that can strip away natural oils. Treat, after cleansing, consider a toner or serum to address specific concerns. Toners help balance your skin's pH, while serums deliver concentrated doses of ingredients like vitamin C, retinol, or hyaluronic acid to target issues like dryness, wrinkles, or uneven skin tone. Moisturize, this is crucial to lock in hydration and keep your skin supple. Choose a moisturizer based on your skin type, lightweight for oily skin, thicker for dry skin. Don't forget to moisturize your neck too. Pro tips for different skin types. Now, let's personalize this routine for your unique skin. Oily skin, look for oil-free, non-comedogenic cleansers and lightweight, water-based moisturizers. Toners can be helpful to control shine. Dry skin, opt for creamy cleansers and richer moisturizers with ingredients like hyaluronic acid or ceramides. Avoid harsh exfoliation. Combination skin, you might have an oily T-zone, forehead, nose, chin, and drier cheeks. Use a gentle cleanser and separate moisturizers for each area. Sensitive skin, stick to fragrance-free, hypoallergenic products. Patch test new products before applying them to your entire face. Beyond the basics, exfoliation and sun protection. While cleansing, treating, and moisturizing are the core, there's more to explore. Exfoliation, gently remove dead skin cells 1 to 2 times a week with a physical or chemical exfoliant. This promotes cell turnover and smoother skin. Sunscreen, this is the ultimate anti-aging product. Wear sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher every single day, even on cloudy days. Advanced tips and techniques. For those looking to elevate their skincare routine, consider these additional steps. Masks, incorporate hydrating or clarifying masks once or twice a week to give your skin a boost. Choose masks with ingredients like clay for oily skin or honey for dry skin. Eye creams, the delicate skin around your eyes can benefit from specialized products. Look for eye creams that address concerns like dark circles, puffiness, or fine lines. Night routine enhancements, at night, consider using a richer moisturizer or a sleeping mask to deeply nourish your skin while you sleep. Ingredients like peptides and niacinamide can be particularly effective overnight. Healthy lifestyle habits. Remember, your skin reflects your overall health. Here are some lifestyle tips to support your skincare routine. Hydration, drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated from the inside out. Diet, eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. Foods high in antioxidants, like berries and leafy greens, can promote a healthy complexion. Sleep, aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Your skin repairs itself while you sleep, so adequate rest is essential. Stress management. High stress levels can lead to skin issues like acne and eczema. Practice stress-reducing activities like yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises. Closing thoughts. Taking care of your skin is an investment in your health and confidence. With a simple daily routine, you can achieve that healthy, glowing complexion you deserve. Don't hesitate to experiment and find what works best for you. Thanks for joining me today. If you have any skincare questions, leave them in the comments below. Until next time, take care and stay radiant.